Happy New Year, and that means it's time for a new you. Today we are going to show you how to use one of our favorite ancient beauty tools, the Jade Roller. Now this originates from Eastern Chinese medicine, but now it is trending at spas all over the world for use in facials. And we're going to show you how to use it to enhance your skincare experience at home. So first, a bit about jade. This beautiful stone has a long-standing reputation as a prized gemstone in many parts of the world. Chinese medicine refers to jade as the stone of heaven and has been known to relax the nervous system and aid in the removal of toxins. Overall, jade represents health, wealth, longevity, and prosperity. In the same way that your body feels alive and refreshed after a good workout, the Jade Roller will have the same effect on your facial muscles. So let's start with some good tips and techniques. First, the luxurious experience will assist in lymphatic drainage, which is helpful around the eyes when applying an eye cream like OptiCrystal. Start by applying a bit of the OptiCrystal to the area, and then with the small end of the roller, smooth in the product with small upward strokes. The lymphatic drainage action will reduce puffiness around the eyes, making them look less stressed. The roller also helps in evenly distributing product across the face, helping active ingredients to absorb better. One of our favorite recommendations is to use it at home as an antioxidant infusion treatment. Simply apply an antioxidant serum such as COSMEDIX Affirm to the skin and follow by rolling the product into the skin in upward motions. And finally, you can use the roller on your body too. Simply apply a nice décolleté product such as Illuminate and Lift to the neck and chest, and with the wide end of the tool gently massage it in. You get a wonderful lifted look with minimal effort.